Welcome to week 24 of Guess That Object. Week 22 was Sprite. And for week 23, you're probably going to get it immediately now. It has something to do with week 22. Now, I have no idea how I did that. That was just amazing. I can't seem to tear this thing. Sorry, just give me a second. I can't get the entire thing because it's huge. It's bigger than my microscope. I have to tear it, but here we go. There. Okay. We're on week 24? Yeah, we're on week 24. Oh, this is... Bonus hint! This is not a can, but you will drink week 22 out of this. Cause no, you're gonna have to go based on my hints. Cause wow, wow. Yeah, that's where I'm leaving that. This is week 24 of PS That Object.